welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are going to make vegan potato cups. They're simple, they're fresh, they're delicious. At my local grocery store, we had 5-pound bags, buy one, get one free, so we were like broke as fuck this week, so we were like, let's do this. But before we get started, I wanted to give a super huge shout out to Meryl, Shelly, Danielle, Chrissy, Jennifer, Renee, and Yvette. You guys are like angels on earth. I cannot thank you enough. It literally would have just been potatoes without your guys' help. So we took that little bit of money that you guys hooked us up with to support this channel, which if you guys love what I'm offering and you use my recipes, please go to my PayPal, midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com, and help us out so we can keep growing and keep going and keep doing bigger, better, awesome recipes. So seriously, thank you guys so incredibly much. I could not have done this without you. Like, oh, my heart, I can't. So, you know what? Let's just dive on into it. Just like in our deviled potato video, we're gonna cut our potatoes in half. Now, I didn't use baby potatoes. I'm using red potatoes for this because they're a little bit bigger and that's what I wanna do. So, I got out my crappy cookie sheet and I sprayed it with some Pam, and I'm gonna put these face down, and I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and we're gonna pop these babies in there for about, I'd say 20 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them and do another 20 minutes, and then just make sure that they're nice and brown and cooked all the way through. And can we just zoom in? Hold on, maybe can I zoom in? I tried to do my nails for you guys and then I fell asleep and they're a little janky still. Am I right, ladies? Am I right? Avocados. Now, while our potatoes are baking, we're gonna make our innards, what we're gonna put inside of our potatoes. So I'm gonna start with some avocados. Now, I'm gonna show you how I cut my avocados. There's like so many videos out there that tell you how to do it, and I feel like half of them are really dangerous. So what you do is you just cut it around. I just use a butter knife, don't need anything fancy. And then you cut around the pit. So when you open it up, there's the pit, right? So a lot of videos tell you to take a big, sharp, fancy knife and to like whack this and then twist it out. But do you know how fucking dangerous that is? You're gonna cut your arm off. Like, there's actually literally like a lot of like videos and things of information of people actually fucking cutting themselves. So I just take my knife and I just stick it in the bottom and pop it out. And then because I'm gonna mash it, I'm gonna cut slits in it like this. And then I'm gonna take my bowl right here, and I'm just gonna like squeeze those innards right out into my bowl. Just like so, and just continue on until I got all of my avocados done. I'm going to use 2 for this. If I have leftover, that is totally fine, because who doesn't fucking love avocados and vegetables? And then yeah, when you do that, it just like comes right out, see? And I definitely should have put this in a bigger bowl because we're going to add a lot to it. So I'm going to actually switch this here into this bigger bowl. And then what we're going to do, oh, hold on, I lost some. You can't waste the avocados. So what I'm going to add to this is half of lime juice. Oh man, I just shot myself in the fucking face with that. So half of a lime, we're just going to squeeze it on in there just like so. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt, just a pinch, just for a little something. And then we're gonna add some pepper, again, just a pinch. I like pepper, you can add more or less. And then because I have a problem, if you guys watch my videos, roasted garlic powder, I'm gonna add a little bit of that as well, but I don't wanna add too much. So I'm actually gonna put it on my hand first so I don't get crazy. Yeah, just like a little something, right? And then we're gonna add, I have some of these onions left over from these onion rings I'm gonna make later in the week. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that in there because I love onions. Normally I do purple or red onions if you fancy, but we had them left over and they were buy one, get one free. So then we're gonna add some tomatoes that were given to us from some friends. Again, I don't know, I'm just guessing, like, I don't know. This is really just preference at this point. And then I have a can of Mexicorn, which I really like, because, or Fiesta corn, because it has peppers in it. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that as well. I love canned things because I'm gonna have some left over that I'm gonna put in snacks throughout the week. And then I have a can of black beans that we drained and rinsed that we're gonna add in there as well for some extra protein. And then again, we're gonna save these. Like, canned foods are great when you're fucking broke as shit because they just, I don't know, they're like cheap. It was like 50 cents and they're gonna last for like ever because I'm gonna use them in a bunch of different things. And then we just like mix this up. And you guys, like, that's literally fucking it. This is gonna go inside of our potatoes and it's gonna be so good. I can't fucking wait. our potatoes are out of the oven. So now what we do is we need to get the innards out, right? So I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm just kind of go in there and make them into little potato cups. And then with the extra potato stuff, that's like the innards, right? The extra potato innards. I'm just going to fucking eat it because I'm hungry. Yeah, that's good. I love potatoes. Love potatoes. Oh man, comment below if you love potatoes. And hit that subscribe while I'm doing this. Let's just be honest about that. A little segue action. So you just like little cups. And now we fill our potatoes. So we got our avocado, bean, corn, tomato, everything deliciousness. And I'm just going to take a spoonful and I'm just going to pop it in there. And I like to have it like overflowing, all fucking delicious. Like this is, so this is a great appetizer that you can make, but I'm not even going to lie to you guys. This is literally just my lunch right now. That's why I didn't make too many. I just want to eat the fuck out of them. No, there'll actually probably be a little bit left over because there's a lot of potatoes. But the potatoes were buy one, get one free. Bags of potatoes were buy one, get one free, you guys. So, of course, I had to, like, get on that shit, right? Like, and the bags of onions were buy one, get one free, too, which I thought was so awesome. I was like, we getting crazy up in here. So, like, look, they're little, like, potato cups, and they're nice and fresh because you got that, like, cold vegetable bean awesomeness on top with the avocados. And so it's, I don't know, it's like, I fucking love them. I think it's great, and the avocados were on sale, too. Like, I hit the jackpot this week with sales, which was perfect because it was, like, a fucking broke-ass week, right? You guys, look at how beautiful these are. Again, you can do a lot more as an appetizer when you have friends over, or you can just be a fat ass like me and have them for lunch. But they're pretty healthy. I mean, I'm not going to lie. Oh, God, my nose. Oh, yeah. That was fucking good, dude. Oh, my God. Because you got that, like, a roasty toasty of the potato, but you get that light, fresh avocado and like cold veg. I got it on my nose, you guys. It's all over my face. So delicious. Again, thank you guys so incredibly much for donating to me. Like like my heart, like I cannot thank you guys enough. Seriously, full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. Follow me on social media. If you make any of my recipes, please take pictures and share them with me. It makes my heart so happy. And I love you guys all so much, and I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.
You guys, look at how beautiful these are. Again, you can do a lot more as an appetizer when you have friends over, or you can just be a fat ass like me and have them for lunch. But they're pretty healthy. I mean, I'm not going to lie. Oh, God, my nose. Oh, yeah. That was fucking good, dude. Oh, my God. Because you got that, like, a roasty toasty of the potato, but you get that light, fresh avocado and, like, cold veg. I got it on my nose, you guys. It's all over my face. So delicious. Again, thank you guys so incredibly much for donating to me. Like, like my heart, like I cannot thank you guys enough. Seriously, full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. Follow me on social media. If you make any of my recipes, please take pictures and share them with me. It makes my heart so happy. And I love you guys all so much, and I'll catch you next time.